Hello and welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and this is the home of phonics for adult learners where we can practice our communication, our pronunciation and our reading skills together. Okay, so let's jump into today's lesson then. So here we have the long U or oo, long vowel sound. Okay, this vowel sound can make two different sounds. Okay, it can make the oo sound or it can make the u sound when we're looking at the long u vowel sound. Okay, it depends on the word. Sometimes oo, sometimes u. In the first part of the lesson, we are going to focus on the oo sound. Okay, so u and e can make the oo sound. Oo, oo, oo. Everybody say oo. Okay, yes, so let's put this long vowel oo sound into some words. And the first word we have is blue. Blue. B-l-oo. Blue. Two adjacent consonants here, want to blend them quickly together. Bl, bl, oo, blue. The colour blue. Okay, so yes, my shirt is a light blue colour. Okay, blue. Super, so let's go on to the next word with the oo sound here, which is true. True. T-r-oo. Again, we've got two adjacent consonants. We want to blend them quickly together. Tr-oo, true. Tr-oo, true. That is true. Okay, that is correct. That is true. Okay, so yes, how many letters does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. How many sounds? Tr-oo. 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds there. Okay, so let's go on to the next one then, shall we? Which is Tuesday. Tuesday. The t makes a kind of ch sound here. Ch, oo, s, d, a. Tuesday. See, the t makes a ch sound. Ch, oo, s, d, a. Tuesday. Okay, what is the day today? The day is Tuesday, the second day of the week. Ch, oo, s, d, a. Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters and 5 sounds. Ch, oo, s, d, a. 5 sounds there. So let's go through them all again together. Say it with me at home like always to practice. Oo, oo. Blue, bl-oo, blue. True, tr-oo, true. And Tuesday, ch-oo, s, d, a. Tuesday. Okay, super. So let's go on to the next sound. Okay, let's go on. So now we have another sound using the same 2 letters. Okay, as we know, the U and E can make the oo sound, but the U and E together can also make the U sound. U, U, U. Okay, so it can make 2 sounds depending on the word that it is in. So let's put this U sound into some words then. And the first one is argue. 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 I do not want to argue with you, okay? Argue. Argue. Okay? How many letters does argue have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? Argue. 3 sounds. Argue. Okay? So yes, it can be U as well. And the next word with the U sound in it is tissue. Tissue. T-I-sh-oo. Tissue. Okay? T-ish-u. Tissue. Okay, we have the double S letters making the sh sound in this word. T-ish-u. Tissue. Okay, so super. So that is has 6 letters with 4 sounds. T-ish-u, tissue. I need to blow my nose using a tissue. Could be a sentence. Okay, so next one we have is rescue. Rescue. R-E-S-C-U. Rescue. R-E-S-C-U. Rescue. Okay, rescue, rescue. Maybe you are trapped up a mountain and you need a mountaineering team to rescue you. Okay, rescue, to save you. Rescue. Okay, super. So let's go through them all again together. Make sure you're saying it at home with me, like always. This can be you. Okay, argue. Argue, argue, tissue, issue, tissue, rescue, rescue, rescue. Okay, so super. So just the last reminder, this 2-letter sound here can make the oo sound or it can make the you sound depending on the word. Okay, thank you for joining and I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you very much for watching the Phonics channel today. Please leave a like on the video and also please subscribe to the channel so you can see future Phonics videos. Also, feel free to share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Also, check out the links in the description of the video as well. Have a great day.